Welcome, guys. This is the Super Wolf. I'm here on behalf of Forex Global Investments. So, guys, I'm pretty excited because this is actually the first video that we'll be having. The first video, because I'm saying the first video is because it's the first time that I actually appear on camera, specifically on this channel. So, guys, hopefully you'll be able to gain something out of this. We'll be basically touching on a few aspects, and I'm hoping that going forward we should be able to bring in all these other things and get delve deeper into different aspects of how do you actually analyze a trade. So hopefully you'll find this very informative, guys. And yeah, without wasting any further time, guys, let's delve into the chart. Thank you. Hopefully, guys, I'm just going to show you how you actually deal with this thing of how do you do your analysis. So in the analysis, I always say that we must then start by doing what we call a multi-time frame analysis. A multi-time frame analysis, we're going to be looking at different aspects. So in that multi-time frame analysis, I prefer is what we refer to as a behavioral pattern that this market actually take. So it's what we refer to having an impulse, and then from there you have got correction. You've got correction, and then you've got impulse. You've got correction. You've got impulse. You've got correction, and then you've got impulse. So the market moves in this particular sense. So what we are then going to be able to see by knowing
the market behavior, how it behaves, we will then be able to determine where exactly we are and where do we expect the market to be taking. So in this sense now, what we're expecting here, there are two possibilities. The possibility is that this thing might actually break this level, and possibly come to retest and create what we call a W pattern before actually going to the upside. Whether it's going to break this level or not, that is another debate. But what we're anticipating is that is the first possibility. And then the second possibility is that this might actually just be what we refer to as a descending channel. A descending channel in this sense. So a descending channel in this sense. So this, well, it might actually just go on and lose the momentum, hit this level, and fail to break out of this structure. And then from there, be able to break this level, come and retest, and then continue to go to the downside. So this is what we are possibly looking at. Now, we're going to take this thing and take it to the 15 minutes chart. So guys, I'm just trying to show you how exactly do you then approach this market in order to determine where it might possibly go and where you can actually make your entries. So as you will see now, here is what we're referring to as a descending channel. Oh gosh. Okay, let me just remove this quickly. Sorry about that. So let me put this thing correctly again. We'll put it at this level. So this is what we're seeing. Where is the potential entry in this sense? The potential entry that we're seeing is that this thing will actually go upside, fail to break, and so it will actually retest here. Let me just find something to circle it. So it will actually, we're expecting that it should actually fail to break here. By failing to break here, this is where we call it a level of confluence, because the static structure and the dynamic structure is where they intersect. So where they intersect is where we're expecting that it will then be able to turn from and then be able to go to the downside. So this is where we're expecting that it should go. It should break there. So it's either we're then going to why do I keep doing what I'm doing here? So what are the possibilities? The possibilities are this. We're expecting that it should be here. So we will create something of this nature. So we create something of this nature. We expect an entry somewhere here. And then this is our level. So we're expecting something like this. So it should be 23. To 56, yeah. 23 to 56 is 2.5. This is where we're talking about the risk management. So I'm expecting that immediately it hits there, we should be ready to actually find it here, trigger our trade here, and then we go with it to the downside. So guys, this is how you will basically be dealing with this market. And if you look at it correctly, when dealing with this kind of things, you look at outside the three things that I talked about, the structural time frame, the behavioral time frame, and the entry time frame. You are then going to also have to understand what is the nature of the market, or the market behavior. The market behavior is this one that I was talking about, that the market will make an impulse, make a correction, and then make an impulse, make a correction. But as much as you then have to know that, you'll also have to know and understand the patterns. So if you look, when I'm trying to bring this one so that you see it, you'll see that here we're then having what we call impulse moves, right? So here it was correcting. If it's correcting, then we're expecting that it should make an impulse move again. But when it makes an impulse move here, we're expecting that it should break that structure, come and retest, and then go to the downside. Why do we expect that it should break that structure? Is because should it fail to break from here, already it has retested this structure. Now coming back again, it was regaining momentum so that it can then be able to break through that structure. So this is what we're expecting on this US30, guys. Hopefully there is something that you learned, and yeah, guys, any questions, just raise them in the comment box, like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully more content will be coming. We'll come and delve more deeper on the market nature or the market behavior, so that you can then be able to understand what we're talking about. That is me, the Super Wolf, signing out. Guys, all the best in your trading. Hopefully you'll be able to use this knowledge and then be able to